Hello learners, we are going to see the next program, Preparation of Sales Bill with GST. From the following details of Amron Electronics, we have to prepare the sales bill with GST. Here we could see electronic items such as laptop, mobile phones, keyboards, mouse and printer. We have to prepare the sales bill along with GST. Let's get into Tally. Under the company info, Alt F3, we have to create a company, Amron Electronics, Bangalore. So the applicable state is Karnataka. Since it is Bangalore, it is belonging to Karnataka. We can create the company by giving the necessary details. Next one, we have to create the items. Before that, we have to enable the features, GST features. Under F11, F3 statutory features, we have to enable the goods and services tax, and we should verify the additional GST details. So first to set our alter GST details should be S. Now we are going to create the units of measures. All the electronic items are measured in terms of numbers. So NOS is a symbol and the numbers is the formal name. Decimals is decimal places is not applicable. Then next star group is created. All these are belonging to electronics group. So electronics is created. The taxable rate should be given here. It is taxable at 18% per annum. Now we have to accept the creation. Next step is to create the stock items. Individually we can create the stock items. In the question we could see mouse, printer, etc. But however, the first item is laptop, mobile phones, keyboards, mouse and printer. First we have to create the laptop. It comes under electronics, units of measures NOS. GST is applicable. Set or alter details is on value should be given, and taxable at 18%. It is a type of goods and the rate of duty is 18%. Similarly, we have to create other stock items. Second one is mobile phones. Under electronics and numbers, GST is applicable. Set or alter details on value should be selected, and it is taxable at the rate of integrated tax 18%. Rate of duty is 18% again. Then similarly, keyboards, it comes under electronics, numbers. GST is applicable and alter the taxability is on value and taxable at the rate of 18%. Here also we should give rate of duty is 18. Other details are not required. And the next one is mouse. Mouse also comes under electronics, numbers. Set or alter details yes, and it is on value. It is taxable at 18% per annum. It is a type of supply is goods and rate of duty is 18. Other details are not required. And the last one is printer. We have to create the printer. Under electronics and measured in terms of numbers, GST is applicable. Set or alter details is it is on value, taxable. It is on value. It is taxable at the rate of 18%. Here also rate of duty is 18%. Now we have created all the stock items. The next step is ledger creation. Here we have to create the sales ledger. Since it is sold, it is sales ledger and the debtors name ABC, XYZ and KLM. Under the accounts info, we have to select the ledgers. Under single ledger, sales accounts, under sales accounts. GST is applicable. So we should give yes. Here also we should give the details taxable, sales taxable. We have to give sales taxable at the rate integrated tax 18 percentage, and it is a goods. We have to create the ledger like this. Second one is ABC traders, it is sundry debtors. So we have to give the required details. Next one is XYZ enterprises, it is also sundry debtors. The default state is Karnataka since we have selected, and the last one is KLM stores, it is a sundry debtors. Now we have to create the output CGST, which means central GST. It is under duties and taxes. It is GST. Type of output is GST, and it is central tax. We have to give the rate of since it is 18%, 9% is for CGST and 9% for SGST. Next one is output SGST, state GST. It is also duties and taxes. It is a GST state tax. It is also 9%. Normal rounding should be given. Now we have created all the ledgers. Now we can go for posting transactions. We have created the ledgers ABC traders, XYZ and KLM stores. Look at the first transaction. Sold one laptop at rupees 40,000 plus GST to ABC traders. So in the accounting voucher, it is sales voucher. The date should be given. Before that we have to check the accounting period, whether it is 1/4/2025 to 31st March 2016. The voucher date is 1/4/2025. The party name is ABC traders. Other details are not required. If you give that is not a problem. Then the type of ledger is sales ledger. One laptop has been sold at rupees 40,000, and we have to choose output CGST. Automatically the amount will be calculated, as well as the output SGST, the amount will be calculated. Similarly, the second transaction, we cannot change the date in Tally trial version. So sold two mobile phones to XYZ. The party name is XYZ Karnataka, and the ledger is sales. We have sold two mobile phones. Mobile phones should be chosen, and two quantity of rupees 15,000 each. Two 15,000 each, it comes to 30,000, and we have to choose the output CGST. It automatically gets calculated, as well as the output SGST. It automatically gets calculated. Next one is sold three keyboards at rupees 800 each to KLM stores. So KLM stores is a party. We can skip the details if we do not. Then the ledger is sales. Name of the item is keyboard. Keyboards 3 of 800 each, 2,400, and applicable output CGST is 216, and output SGST also 216. It automatically gets calculated. The fourth transaction is sold 5 mouse at rupees 500 each plus GST to ABC. So the party name is ABC traders. It is a sales voucher, sales ledger. Name of the item is mouse. 5 mouse at rupees 500 each, that comes to 2,500. We have to apply the taxes, output CGST and output SGST. then we have to accept this. And the last one is sold one printer of rupees 8,000 plus GST to XYZ. So the party is XYZ. We have to choose XYZ. The type of ledger is sales. The name of the item is printer, one quantity of rupees 8,000 each, and applicable output CGST and output SGST. So we have completed all the transactions. Now we have to view the output. Under the display menu, we have to select the GST reports. Under the GSTR also we can see 5 transaction, but however we can see the output in the statement of not in the day book itself. If it is a detailed view, Alt